friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will study about important revolution in India. So let's get started. First we will see Rainbow Revolution. Rainbow Revolution. This revolution is related to agriculture industry. Next, Black Revolution. Black Revolution. This revolution is related to crude oil. Crude oil. In crude oil, we include oil, petrol, diesel. Next, Blue Revolution. Blue Revolution. This is related to seafoods, or we can say fish production. Fish production. And we all know that fish production is also known as PC culture. PC culture. Next. If it is asked who is the father of Blue Revolution, then father of Blue Revolution, then Arun Krishnan. He is the father of Blue Revolution. This is very important. Next, Green Revolution. This revolution is very important and asked in many exams. Green Revolution. Related to rice, wheat, corn and vegetables. And you all should know, and many must be knowing, that the father of Green Revolution is M.S. Swaminathan. Next, White Revolution. White Revolution. From the name we can think it is milk production. Milk production. And father is Verghese Kurian. And also I would like to tell you all that White Revolution is also known as Operation Flood. And he is also known as Milkman of India. Next, Yellow Revolution. This is related to oil seeds production. Next, Pink Revolution. This is related to onion, shrimps and prawn. This is a high source of protein. Next, Silver Revolution. This is related to egg production. And father of silver is Indira Gandhi. Next, Gold Revolution. Is related to gardening. Next, I have told you silver. Violet Revolution. This is related to woolen production. Purple Revolution. This is related to pharmaceuticals. articles. Next we will see Golden Revolution. Next 12th. Golden Revolution. This is related to horticulture. In horticulture we include fruits, flower and vegetables. Vegetables is both golden and green revolution. Remember it, golden and green revolution comes in vegetables. Next, brown revolution. This is related to leather and fertilizer. Next, round revolution. This is very important. Sorry, very easy. Round revolution. This is very easy. Potatoes. Next, golden fiber revolution. Golden fiber revolution is related to jute production. 16. After golden, we will see silver fiber revolution. This is related to cotton. And last, red revolution. This is related to meat and tomatoes. And one more thing, if it is asked father of green revolution in world, not in India. In India it is M.S. Swaminathan, but in world it is Norman Borlaug. Next, if it is asked in India where green revolution is started, green revolution is started in Punjab in India. And for which production? For wheat. Green revolution is started for wheat. So thanks for the today classes. Thanks for watching my class. We will see important national park and wildlife sanctuary. Thank you.